Mastering advanced vocabulary, building a strong lexical foundation. Our first word of the 17th day is 1. Belabor, verb A. To explain, worry about, or work more than is necessary. B. To assail persistently, as with scorn or ridicule. C. To beat vigorously, ply with heavy blows. Her habit of belaboring the obvious makes her a very boring speaker. He uses his newspaper column to belabor writers for even the most minor grammatical errors. 2. Copperplate A. A fine style of handwriting marked by flowing shapes and strokes of varying width. 10 invitations were written by a copperplate writer, who volunteered to do it. B. A polished copper plate with a design engraved or etched into it. 3. Gambit A. A remark made to open or redirect a conversation. B. Chess. An opening in which a player seeks to obtain some advantage by sacrificing a pawn or piece. His resignation was a tactical gambit. He tried the dubious Budapest gambit. C. Any maneuver by which one seeks to gain an advantage. 4. Penumbra A. Chiefly painting and drawing. An area where shade blends with light, a shadowy area. B. A faint intimation of something undesirable, a peripheral region of uncertain extent, a group of things only partially belonging to some central thing. The moon was completely within the penumbra for half an hour and remained partially in eclipse for nearly 2 hours. 5. Shanghai A. To put aboard a ship by force, often with the help of liquor or a drug. B. To put by force or threat of force into or as if into a place of detention. C. To put by trickery into an undesirable position. Nate was shanghaied by his sister into helping her sell shirts at the lacrosse tournament after her friend bailed out. 6. Occultation, disappearance from view or notice. This is the first occultation of a star or planet by the moon observed and recorded in England. The batteries were used during brief periods of occultation when no solar power was available. 7. Pip A. To peep or chirp. B. Of a young bird, to break out from the shell. A small hard seed in a fruit. C. To crack or chip a hole through the shell, as a young bird. I swallowed a grape pip. Joker has no value at the finish, and deuce has only pip value. 8. Orthogonal A. At right angles. B. Unrelated or independent of each other. Bouquet worked on differential geometry, writing on orthogonal surfaces. 9. Silly season A. A period, as late summer, when the mass media often focus on trivial or frivolous matters for lack of major news stories. B. A period marked by frivolous, outlandish, or illogical activity or behavior. None of us gets too excited about such stories. The silly season seems to have started early. The unfortunate thing about the last few months is that the silly season has lasted so long. 10. Mafik, to celebrate with boisterous rejoicing and hilarious behavior. Fans mafficked for hours outside the stadium, celebrating the team's dramatic victory in the division championship. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Remember, a word a day keeps your eloquence at play. Please subscribe and click the notification button.